Guys, my name is Alyssa Cisneros, and today I will be teaching you the difference between photosynthesis and cellular respiration and what the similarities are those. So before we get into this topic, we need to first find the actual definition of these two. What is photosynthesis and what is cellular respiration? Photosynthesis is the process of which they turn into organisms, I should say. Organisms should turn light energy into chemical energy. And then actually through cellular respiration, that can be restored later on and be released into fuel energy for the organism's other activities. So cellular respiration is the process in which organisms combine oxygen and foodstuff molecules and they divert that chemical energy into the substances for life-sustaining activities. And they discard waste products such as carbon dioxide and water. So what is the difference between metabolic and catabolic? So we are going to be talking about how photosynthesis and cellular respiration may or may not be metabolic or catabolic. So in order to find out, we need to find out what these two mean. So metabolic is basically relating to the metabolism, right? So when we eat a burrito, right, our metabolism breaks down that food for energy, and that's exactly what this is referring to. It's a whole range of biochemical processes that break down the food for energy. And then catabolic actually promotes this metabolic activity. So that bean burrito that we ate, right? Our a catabolic would be converting that food into energy and releasing that energy. So that's pretty cool. Is photosynthesis metabolic or catabolic? Okay. Photosynthesis is a two-part metabolic process, the energy fixing and the carbon fixing reaction. And the first produces ATP and NADPH molecules. And cellular respiration, right? If we learned that photosynthesis is a metabolic reaction, then that must mean that cellular respiration is also metabolic. And we can see that here that it's a metabolic pathway and it breaks down glucose and produces ATP, which is what photosynthesis also produces. This one has 4 stages of it. Remember that, 4 stages. How does photosynthesis and cellular respiration relate to each other? So I just put it down in plain simple words. I'm not going to give you anything too big to digest because this is a lot of information to digest. So I just put that they both produce ATP molecules and that they convert light energy into chemical energy. That is how these two relate to each other. So now we ask the question, well, can one occur without the other? No. Think of cellular respiration and photosynthesis as in a relationship, right? They're in a beneficial relationship. They're going to stay together. So cellular respiration cannot occur without photosynthesis, vice versa. Photosynthesis can also not occur without cellular respiration. Thank you.